Sairam children, today in maths we will continue our chapter 6, fun with give and take. So children, I hope previous work you have completed. What I told you have to do in your book, and what PDF I have shared on Friday, last Friday, that work you have done in your notebook. Okay, so let's start with our chapter 6. Now page number 83. So children, above question we have done. Now we will do this 7th question. Fill in the missing number in the colored boxes. Fill in the missing numbers in the colored boxes. First is written 78. Children, इसमें आपको मिसिंग नंबर ढूंढना है. क्या आएगा कि जो माइनस करके 5 आ जाए. तो 8 में से ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो हम माइनस करेंगे और हमारे पास रिमेनिंग क्या आएगा 5. तो बच्चों 8 के नीचे आप लिखेंगे 3. क्या लिखेंगे आप 3. 8 के नीचे वाला बॉक्स जो एम्प्टी है उसमें क्या लिखेंगे आप 3. ओके, इस वाले बॉक्स के अंदर आप क्या लिखेंगे 3. और 8 में से अगर 3 गए तो क्या आएगा हमारा 5. ओके, नाउ 7 minus 3, what will come in this box? You will write 4. Okay, so our missing number here is 3 and here is 4. Now next 2, 1, and what will come in next box? So that 2 will come. Here will come 9. What will come? 9. 9 minus 7, that will come 2. Now in next box 1 dash 7. So what will come in this box? Here will come 8. So here 11 minus 8 will come 3. 3 is written. So in missing the box we will write 8. So 11 minus 8 will come 3. Okay, and here you know 1 minus 1, because we have given 1 to here carry. So 1 minus 1, what will come here? 0. In this box will come 0. Okay children, now come to next. What will come in this box? That will become 0. So 6 minus 6 is become 0. And what will come in above box? Here will come 9. 9 minus 3 will come 6. 9 minus 3 will come 6. Okay children, now come to next. What will come in this box? First we will write here 14. 4 minus 8 nothing, we will take 1 carry, so it will become 14. So what will come? 14 minus 8, that will come 6. In first box 6. Then 3 minus 3 is 0, because we have given 1 over here, so it will 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0. Now what will come here? Here will come in this box 4. 4 minus 2 will come 2. So your answer is 206. And here upper box it will come 4. Okay children, now come to next page. In this also you have to write down missing number. This is a home. In this you have to write down the number. Okay, first, postman uncle is ill today. Let's deliver the letter for him. first we have to deliver the letter. I have written make a circle on room number 455. So where is room number 455? You will circle here. Okay. Now let's start. 445 plus 10, that is 455. Okay. So first is done. Now next, 467 plus 11, what will come? 478. You have to write down in the box. And what number will come? What you will do? You will do circle. Now you will circle 478. Now next, 450 minus 19, that is 431. Okay. Now you will circle here 431. What your answer you will get? आपको जो भी आंसर आएगा that you have to circle in the post office. Okay, this is the post office. Postman uncle is ill, वो बीमार है, तो हम जो जो लेटर डिलीवर करते जाएंगे उस पे हम सर्कल करते जाएंगे. अंडरस्टूड. Now come to next. 430 plus 15, that is 445. What will come? 445. In this box this will come. So now what we will do? We will circle on 445. Now next, 456 minus 20. So children, what they have written? They have written 436. So now we have to circle 436. Now next, 480 minus 9. What will come? 471. So now we are going to circle what? 471. Okay. Now come to next. 498 minus 23, that will come 475. So children, what will come? Now we have to circle on 475. Okay. Now come to next. 467 plus 22. So what will come, children? Yes, very good. It will come 489. What will come? 489 in this box. Okay. So now we are going to circle what? 489 here. So let's see where it is. 489 here. Okay children. Now come to next. 430. 430 plus 20 plus 13. What will come, children, here? 463. Okay. And here 426 plus 38, that will 464. Now we will circle 463 and 464. 463 and 464. 463 and 464. Okay children. Now come to next. Four 29 plus 10 plus 20. So children, what will come? That is 459. Here will come 459. Now children, this and this, rest we have done. Okay. So and this, these four are your homework. Rest we have done. These four are your homework. What I have circled, what will come, you will circle in that post box. Okay. Now 459 we will circle. Then what you will get, what homework I have given you, that you will circle. When you get the answer, you will circle. What I told you? I told you this we have done 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are your homework. Okay children. Now come to next page. Look at the number patterns. Write the missing numbers. Children, this I have given you already, but one I will explain you, then rest you will do on your own. 100, 200, 300. What will come? 100 difference is there. Next will come 400. Then here will come 500. 600 is written, so here will come 700. Understood? One more I am telling you, 900, 800, 700 means this is in decreasing form, and upper one A1 जो है वो increasing form में है और B वाला हमारा decreasing form में है. तो यहाँ पे आएगा 600, 500, 400 is written, and here will come 300. Okay children. Now from C part is your homework. Understood? 50, 100, 150, 200. So children, 50, 50 they are adding. So what will come? 250, 300, 350 and 400. 4 dash are there na? 250, 300, 350 and 400. Next 300, 250, 200. Now again they are decreasing form. So it will come 150, then 100, then 50. Okay children. Now next, how many they are adding? 10, 10. So here will come 15, then 25, then 35, then 45, then 55, then 65. Okay children. Now next 280, 260, 240. Now what will come children? Yes, that is 20, 20 they are decreasing. So here will come 220. Then in this box 200. Then 180. Then 160. Understood? 20, 20 they are decreasing. 220, 200, 180 and 160. So children, next 125, 150 means they are adding 25 in all. So here will come 2. Here will come 275. Here will come 300. Okay children, understood? Now come to next page. Here you have to write down the missing number. What we minus? 80 minus 35 will come 45. One is done. Now 45 plus 35, what will come children? Again 80. Okay. Now next, second part, 50 plus, what will come in the pink box? 50 plus, what will come, so that our answer should become 50. So children, our answer is here सेम विल मैच, इधर सेम मैच होना चाहिए और इधर सेम मैच होना चाहिए. सो चिल्ड्रन 50 प्लस 25 करेंगे तो हमारा आ जाएगा 75. ये दोनों सेम मैच हो गए. और 75 माइनस 25 करेंगे तो 50 आ गया. ये दोनों मैच होगा और ये दोनों मैच होगा. ओके. नाउ सी पार्ट, 110 minus 60, what will come children? it will come 50, and 50 plus 60, what will come? 110. So this is match and this is match. Understood? ऐसा नंबर मिडिल में होना चाहिए जो दोनों को सेम आंसर्स दे, ऊपर भी और नीचे भी. फर्स्ट, what we can add in 120 so that it will become 320. So children, let's add. I think 200 we will add, so 320 will come, and 320 minus 120, here will also come 200. So this will also match. Okay children, now come to next page. Indu pencil is 15 centimeter long. Jyoti pencil is 8 centimeter long. Whose pencil is longer? So children, how much longer? What you will do? You will minus. What you will do? You will do minus. Because 15 minus 8, how much they are asking? So what will come? Yes, 7. Very good. So this you will write here. 15 minus 8, your answer is 7. Okay. Now next, you will do here only. Okay. Under the question only. Ask your papa mummy price of 1 kilogram of salt and 1 kilogram of sugar. How one is more, which one is more costly? So children, 1 kilogram salt is, I hope you all know, 20 rupees, and sugar is 37 or 38. I hope 38 it is. So your answer would be minus. Okay. So what you will do? You will do minus. This is 1 kilogram of salt and 1 kilogram of sugar. Okay, you have written. Now under this you will write 38 minus 20. So your answer is 18. Your answer is 18. How much? 18 is more costly sugar than salt. Okay children. Now come to next. Ajay cooked chapati in 25 minutes. Then he made dal in 15 minutes. How much time did he take? So children, all together they are asking. So what you will do here? 25 plus 15. What will come? 40. Okay, 40 minutes. He make both things. Next, Chanchal sell school sweaters in 2 days. She sold some red, blue, grey colored sweaters. Here is the sweaters, red, blue, grey. How many grey sweaters did Chanchal sell in today? So children, in today, how many total sweaters she sell? You will do here 74 plus 89 in this, and your answer will come. You will add here A part, you will add 74 plus 89 and you will write down the answer. Okay children. Now B part. Did she sell more red sweaters than blue sweater? Now you have to do total. Like red sweater is 38 plus 40, that is what will come? 8. That is red sweater she sell 78, and blue sweater she sell 89. So they are asking, did she sell more red sweater than blue sweater? So your answer should be no, because 89 is more than 78 and 89 is of blue. और वो पूछ रहे हैं रेड स्वेटर ज़्यादा बेचे हैं ब्लू से, So your answer should be no. Your answer should be no. Understood? Now come to next page. How many red and grey sweater did she sell in the first day? More than 120 or less than 120? Tick right. So children, our answer is less than 120 because she sell 89 and 78. So it is less than 120. How many sweaters in all did she sell on the second day? Second day, how many sweaters she sell? More than 140 or less than 140? So children, your answer is more than 140. Next day when they are selling together, that is more than 140 in the second day. Now next, in Sangeeta, right? Sangeeta went to the market with her grandpa. She is Sangeeta and she went to a market with her grandpa. Okay children. Ghee. Now some costs are written on the things you have to verify. Ghee is rupees 102 rupees costlier than biscuit. So you have to write or wrong. So this is right. Price of oil and ghee all together is more than 200. No. So your answer here will come cross. Why? Because ghee is costly. So what is the price of ghee? You can see ghee price is 127 and rice price is 150. If we will total this, so our answer is 277 and they are telling that the answer should be 200. So that's why it is wrong. Price of ghee and 10 kg rice is less than 300. Ghee and rice, yes, it is right because our answer is coming 127 plus 150, that is 277. So it is less than 300. So third one is right. Oil cost rupees more than a pack of biscuits. A pack of biscuits. So can you find this without using paper and pencil? So children, yes, we can find. Oil cost rupees how much? You can see more than pack of biscuit is Sangeeta is right. Mark right. So children, it is wrong. Not 40 rupees more than, because biscuit is of 25 rupees and oil is of 70 rupees. So children, if we subtract 70 minus 25, that will 45. So oil cost 45 more than. So that's why it is wrong. Understood? I hope it is clear to you. That is right, wrong, right and wrong. Okay children. Now come to next page. Now from this we will continue, because these are word problems. We will continue in our next session. Okay children. So till then you complete your work in your book only. Okay, till then, thank you children and bye. But do complete your